Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to view movies on your Sony A6500. Step 1. Start by turning on your Sony A6500 using the power switch located on the top right of the camera body. Step 2. Press the playback button, which is marked with a triangle icon resembling a play symbol located on the back of your camera. This will switch your camera from shooting mode to playback mode. Step 3. Use the control dial on the back of the camera to scroll through the images and videos you've captured. The movies are usually indicated by a small movie camera icon or a film strip on the thumbnail. Navigate until you find the video you want to watch. Step 4. Once you've selected your video, press the center button in the middle of the control dial to start playing the movie. The movie will begin to play on your camera's LCD screen. Step 5. While the movie is playing, you can use the control dial to pause or resume playback. If you want to fast forward or rewind, turn the dial right or left, respectively. This allows you to quickly skip to different parts of the video. Step 6. To stop watching the movie, you can press the playback button again, or simply press the shutter button halfway to return to shooting mode. And there you have it. Watching movies on your Sony A6500 is as easy as following these simple steps.